Greetings and welcome to Glodeanu.com, an online invoicing webpage. You can create an account, add the seller banking information, add users to view and add to your account's data, add services and/or products, add different client banking and miscellaneous information, create invoices, export them in PDF format, directly send the PDF invoices on your email, search for a previous existing invoice, export all your Glodeanu.com data into CSV format. In this 9th chapter, the addition of client information will be presented. Kindly log in on Glodeanu.com. Click on the Add View button from the Functions menu, followed by the clicking on the Client Information button. A list with all the client's information registered by your account will be displayed, and you have the option to add to them by inputting strings in the desired fields, such as new client code, new client name, new client information. Click on the Add Client Info button to store the information. You also have the possibility to search previous information regarding an existing client by filling in the Search for an Existing Client field. Regards and take care from